This is Tim. Tim has a lot of important stuff to keep track of. This is his resume, his passport, and birth certificate. These are the pictures from his semester in Spain. And all of his financial stuff, like tax returns, student loan papers, and the receipt for renting his cap and gown. He could keep all of his stuff in a box in his parents' basement, or piled on his desk, or somewhere in his car. Or Tim could keep all of his stuff in a point, in the cloud. Smart guy. To create his point, Tim opens an account on DocLanding. He can upload any type of digital content, pictures, documents, files, to his point where it is stored securely. Tim can easily drag and drop files right from a computer to his point, scan individual documents or entire batches, email attachments right to his DocLanding account, or upload stuff right from his phone using DocLanding Mobile. So whether Tim takes that job in Chicago, or goes to grad school in Spain, the content stored on Tim's point is always there, everywhere he goes. And all of his files will stay updated anywhere, anytime, when Tim uses DocLanding Sync. Tim is storing his digital content in the cloud. But where is Tim's stuff, really? Tim's stuff is stored in DocLanding's private cloud, located at a controlled access hardened data center in Omaha, Nebraska. What this means to Tim is that all of his important digital content is safe and secure. Let's take a closer look at Tim's point. All of the stuff stored in Tim's point is searchable so that he can find it quickly and easily. Now, where is that resume? It didn't take long for a smart guy like Tim to land a job. With DocLanding, he can take his stuff to work with him. Tim can also choose to share any or all of his digital content with others by granting permissions to his point, like he's done here with his coworkers. Tim is always in charge of who has access to his stuff. If Tim and Mike and Tina have to work on a group project, Tim can create a file cabinet within his point that they all have access to. From their computers or phones, Tim, Mike, and Tina can access documents, share ideas, and make changes. DocLanding's powerful versioning feature saves all of the versions of the documents along the way, making collaboration safe and simple. When the project is over, Tim can remove the shares. Tim has gone from a guy with lots of stuff to keep track of to a guy with a safe, secure point where he can store, search, and share his digital content. He can expand the amount of storage he needs, or the number of users who can access his point using DocLanding's flexible options. So, no matter where Tim goes, his stuff is always there where he needs it. Your stuff where you need it. That's the point. DocLanding. Bring your stuff to the cloud.